Installing electrical metallic conduits. For this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials: electrical metallic conduits, hacksaw, marker, pull-push rule, spirit level or any leveling tool, screws and straps, power drill, conduit bender. Refer to the layout plan to determine the measurement and number of conduits needed. Mark the points where the bends will be at, and measure the conduit's total length required to finish the entire electrical conduit fittings. Cut the conduit to the required length using a hacksaw. Make sure to remove the burrs from the conduit. Make the necessary bends as indicated by the markings previously made. Remove the knockout holes from the installed boxes. Then attach the entrance caps. Connect the conduits to the entrance caps and attach the fittings using screws and straps with either single or double holes to attach electrical conduit fittings to the wall. After performing this task, do not forget to perform good housekeeping.